Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I am taking you on a tour of something absolutely fabulous. I'm at 79 Valley View Road in Lewisburg, Pennsylvania. This is an absolutely beautiful single-family home with 4 entire bedrooms, 3 entire bathrooms, and literally, I don't know if you know by my excitement or not, but it is amazing, and there's so many little things you are going to just fall in love. So sit back and relax. I'm going to take you through this entire amazing home. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. As we do here at One Focus, we start the tours outside so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood and also drink in the exterior of the home. This area is no exception to the beautiful and amazing property rule because it's gorgeous out here. We have a nice sized driveway. I'm not all the way pulled up to the door. You could probably do 2 to 3 cars, maybe 2 larger vehicles, tandem, and then you could possibly do 2 tandem cars over here, but you have this additional parking, and then you have your garage. So let's get that open so we can take a peek. Now, when you come up to the garage, we have an opener, but there is a man door that goes out to the backyard. And then you also have wonderful built-ins. This is all pegboard, so you can easily get pegs for yourself, and kind of fit this out and kit it out the way you need to. And we're gonna come out here. No interior access to the home, but I mean, could we drink in this gorgeous backyard? There's tons and tons of space. You can see the back neighbor seem to be pretty, weedy and quiet. Just kidding, it's just a field. And then you do have a great deck that comes off like the dining room, kitchen area that you can certainly add patio furniture to. Down here below, there's some storage capability. If you have stuff in the yard, you want to kind of tuck it away out of the weather. Now we're going to go back through here and we are going to take it through the front door. Also, it never hurts to come back out here and just take another sip of this gorgeous neighborhood. Now, like many split level homes, when you come inside, you can literally go up or down. We're going down first. This is the space. I mean, come on. This is a beautiful open recreational area. It is absolutely beautiful. The floors are gorgeous. You have this great electric fireplace. You got a beautiful mantle up there, and you have this whole inlet area here. Game room, office, anything, a library, whatever. You've got a closet here. You've got a closet here. And when we come through here, there's a Bilco door. So you have a door here to access that area. And I'm going to come down here first before we get to that room there. In here you have a full bathroom, gorgeous vanity. You've got the beautiful mirror and then a nice wide stand-up shower with a seat. Also, stunning lighting in here, if I do say so myself. Further down here, you have your laundry room. So you have a little slop sink and you have connections for an electric dryer and a washer. And then this is just access to where the water heater is, electric panel. And then they do have a dehumidifier in here. Now we're going to get to this room over here. This is one of the bedrooms. You certainly do an in-law suite down here. The possibilities down here are endless as far as that goes. You could use this as an office, but this is certainly set up for a wonderful bedroom, especially if you want to do a master too, because you have that bathroom down here. And what I love, aside from the fact that I can fit a king-size bed and additional furniture, is we have Jack and Jill closets. It's also nice and cool here because there are mini split systems installed for air conditioning. Now we're going to take it back up the steps and get into the heart of this beautiful home. When you come directly up, you're going to go kitchen, living room, dining room. Again, you can put any of these spaces however you want to, but let's just look how beautiful they are. Stunning hardwood floors, beautiful creamy neutrals. I mean, does it get any better? I don't think so, especially when you look out the windows. Now we're gonna circle right around to the kitchen. You have a beautiful modern kitchen here, stainless steel appliances, and you have the full appliance package. I love the little bank of cabinets and counters over here. Nice little slim spot there that you could slide a garbage can into. And let me come up here to this deck. So you can see there's plenty of room for a nice patio set out here so you could dine in the summer. Now we're gonna come down the hall. We have closet storage here with shelves inside. This would be really great for the main bedroom. You also have closet storage here with the main bathroom, I'm sorry. So both of these closets would make really great linen closets for your main bathroom. You can see you have a nice wide vanity, beautiful medicine cabinet, or I apologize, a beautiful mirror. You've got great lighting, and then you also have this beautiful bathtub. It's nice and wide. They have a curved shower rod here, so it really increases the space when you're inside the shower. And look at this gorgeous stone accent. I'm gonna keep on going here. Now we turn the corner and we come into the second bedroom. This is probably more suitable for a full-size bed, possibly a queen. It is on the smaller side, but it does have a nice size closet with a hang bar, definitely above standard size when it comes to closets. We're gonna come into this bedroom here. This is about the same size. It has this just a rich, beautiful vibe. When you walk in, you get this wonderful sense of calm because it's very cozy and very comforting. And you also have another nice size closet. So this is certainly above standard size, and they both have lights in them as well. Now, when we come across here, you have another bedroom that would easily work as a master suite. This will fit a king size bed for sure. You have a stunning blue color on these walls. Great closet, certainly above standard. You have the built-in stuff here. Definitely looks like there's stuff in here that you could add shelves to. So if you'd like to do that, you could. And then you also have the addition of an ensuite bathroom. Very simple, beautiful, and very modern looking. That is a medicine cabinet mirror. You have a little bit of storage there. And then you have a great stand-up shower right off to the end. Pretty incredible, right? So before I go out back and have myself a Julie Andrews moment, singing in the mountains, Sound of Music kind of vibe, I'm gonna let you know how to make this the next place you're calling home. You need to go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You'll look at our listings and be able to find all the information about the property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today. I'll be in the backyard singing songs and pretending this is my house.